بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially gracious. Welcome to the forum, Mathropolis. We dedicated ourselves entirely to unveiling the magnificent treasures hidden within the realms of the human mind. It's a forum aimed at exploring mathematical solutions for junior-level students. Here, students can avail themselves of opportunities to attend free lectures on each topic. All practice nows and exercises have been solved with brief explanation. At the end of each chapter, here are worksheets for practice and preparation. Kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for timely intimation of upcoming videos. It's mathematics of grade 6. We have started chapter number 1, that is, primes, highest common factor, and lowest common multiple. In this lecture, we will learn about divisibility rules of prime numbers 2 to 5. We learn some divisibility rules which may helpful during determination of prime and composite numbers, and during factorization. The first number is 2. We have already learnt that a number is divisible by 2 if last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. We solve an example for our better understanding. Are all the numbers 100, 514, 309, and 768 divisible by 2? First number is 100. The number 100 ends with digit 0, so divisible by 2. We check divisibility of 100 by 2. The number 100 is divided by 2 completely, with an answer 50, which is a complete whole number. It means 100 is multiple of 2. That is, 2 multiplied by 50 is equal to 100. Here, 2 and 50 are factors of 100. And 100 is multiple of 2 and 50. Next number is 514. The number 514 ends with digit 4, so divisible by 2. We check divisibility of 514 by 2. The number 514 is divided by 2 completely, with an answer 257, which is a complete whole number. It means 514 is multiple of 2. That is, 2 multiplied by 257 is equal to 514. Here, 2 and 257 are factors of 514. And 514 is multiple of 2 and 257. Then here is number 309. The number 309 doesn't end with digit 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, but ends with digit 9. So it isn't divisible by 2. We check divisibility of 309 by 2. The number 309 is not divided by 2 completely, but with fractional, or we can also say with some decimal part. That is 154.5, which is not a complete, but have some decimal part also. It means 309 is not multiple of 2. The last number here is 768. 768 also ends with digit 8, so divisible by 2. We check divisibility of 768 by 2. The number 768 divided by 2 is equal to 384, which is a complete, whole number. It means 768 is multiple of 2. That is, 2 multiplied by 384 is equal to 768. Here, 2 and 384 are factors of 768. And 768 is multiple of 2 and 384. We can confirm here that the given numbers 100, 514, and 768, these end with last digits 0, 4, and 8, are divisible by 2. Whereas the number 309 ends with last digit 9 is not divisible by 2. We can also say that all even numbers, as all these end with last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, are divisible by 2. We now learn divisibility rule of next prime number, that is, 3. A number is divisible by 3 if some of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3. We solve an example for our clarification and better understanding. Which of the two numbers 522 and 713 are divisible by 3? First number is 522. We calculate sum of the digits of number 522. First digit is 5, plus second digit, that is 2, plus third digit, that is also 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 9. Now we can easily confirm that sum of the digits, the number 9, is divisible by 3 completely. That is, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. As the sum of digits of the number 522 is 9, which is divisible by 3 completely, so the number 522 is also divisible by 3 completely. That is, 522 divided by 3 is equal to 174. It means 522 is multiple of 3. That is, 3 multiplied by 174 is equal to 522. Here, 3 and 174 are factors of 522. And 522 is multiple of 3 and 174. Next number is 713. Let we calculate some of the digits of number 713. First digit is 7, plus second digit, that is 1, plus third digit is, that is 3. So 7 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 11. Now, we can easily confirm that some of the digits, the number 11, is not divisible by 3 completely. That is, 11 divided by 3 is equal to 3.67. It is not a complete number but a whole number with some decimal part. As the sum of digits of the number 713 is 11, which is not divisible by 3 completely, so the number 713 is also not divisible by 3 completely. That is, 713 divided by 3 is equal to 237.67, which is not a complete whole number, but with some decimal part also. It means 713 is not multiple of 3. Let we now understand divisibility rule of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit of the number is 0 or 5. Let we understand the divisibility rules of 5 with an example. Example is, select all the numbers that are divisible by 5. Here first number is 27, second number is 105, third is 556, fourth number is 343, and the last number is 600. Let we start from first number, it is 27. The number 27 ends with digit 7, but doesn't end with 0 or 5, so it's not divisible by 5 completely. 27 divided by 5 is equal to 5.4. It means 27 is not divisible by 5 completely, but with some fractional part, or we can also say with some decimal parts. As 27 is not divisible by 5 completely, so 27 is not multiple of 5. The next number here is 105. The number 105 ends with digit 5, so must be divisible by 5 completely. 105 divided by 5 is equal to 21. That is a complete whole number. It means 105 is divisible by 5 completely. It means 105 is multiple of 5. That is, 5 multiplied by 21 is equal to 105. Here, 5 and 21 are factors of 105. And 105 is multiple of 5 and 21. Next number is 556. The number 556 ends with digit 6, but doesn't end with 0 or 5, so it's not divisible by 5 completely. 556 divided by 5 is equal to 111.2. It means 556 is not divisible by 5 completely, but with some fractional part, or we can also say with some decimal parts. As 556 is not divisible by 5 completely, so 556 is not multiple of 5. Next number is 343. The number 343 ends with digit 3, but doesn't end with 0 or 5, so it's not divisible by 5 completely. 343 divided by 5 is equal to 68.6. It means 343 is not divisible by 5 completely, but with some fractional part, or we can also say with some decimal parts. As 343 is not divisible by 5 completely, so 343 is not multiple of 5. The next number here is 600. The number 600 ends with digit 0, so must be divisible by 5 completely. 600 divided by 5 is equal to 120, that is a complete whole number. It means 600 is divisible by 5 completely. It means 600 is multiple of 5. That is, 5 multiplied by 120 is equal to 600. Here, 5 and 120 are factors of 600. And 600 is multiple of 5 and 120. There are also other rules to check divisibility of given numbers by 7, 11, 13, and so on, but as those are not included in this syllabus, so it's better to check divisibility of other numbers by using calculator. In next lecture, we will discuss determination of prime and composite numbers with worked examples. May Almighty Allah always keep us under His protective arms.